Septic tank effluent not reaching the drain field is a problem that can seriously mess up your whole septic system, and you gotta catch it early or it's gonna get ugly fast. So, first thing, check out those pipes between your septic tank and drain field. If they're clogged or busted, nothing's gonna flow right. You can use a plumber's snake or a high-pressure water jet to clear blockages, but if the pipes are cracked or crushed, you'll need to replace them. Make sure the effluent filter in the septic tank is clean too, because a clogged filter can slow down the flow. Keep an eye on the drain field itself. If it's soggy or smells bad, that means it's not absorbing water like it should. Avoid driving or parking heavy stuff over the drain field, since that compacts soil and blocks water movement. Don't flush anything weird down the drains either, like grease or harsh chemicals that kill the bacteria, breaking down waste. Regular septic tank pumping every 3 to 5 years also helps prevent backups and keeps everything flowing smoothly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank effluent not reaching drain fields is ignoring signs like slow drains or bad smells until it's too late. Fix that by checking your system regularly and scheduling maintenance on time. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of additives thinking they'll fix clogs, but most of them just create more problems. Stick to proper pumping instead. Lastly, poor installation or landscaping can cause effluent to pool instead of drain. If you suspect this, get a pro to inspect and maybe regrade the area so water flows away properly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with septic systems and other home projects. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and want reliable work without all the hassle.